OpenSSL, it is free and open source application, is an command line tool. Create CSRS. How to download, install, set up in Windows 11 and Windows 10 operating system, step by step explain. Browser open. Google search box lo OpenSSL download, enter key press. Official link second section lo display. Sharing Light Productions Win32/Win64 OpenSSL installer for Windows, second link, mouse left click. Sharing Light Productions official redirectory web page, complete display, mouse scroll down, left side download Win32/Win64 OpenSSL today using the link below section lo table display, first one column section lo file Win64 OpenSSL version latest 3.5.1 light, type file size 6 MB, installer description. Installer file, two options display, first one exe, second one msi. First one exe, select, mouse left click. Download section lo Win64 OpenSSL underscore light latest version 3.5.1.exe download process start. After downloading process completed, browser minimize, desktop file explorer document open, left side downloads folder lo exe setup file display, mouse double click. Win64 OpenSSL underscore light underscore 3.5.1.exe setup file window lo first button yes click. License agreement, please read the following important information related complete application information display in middle section. Bottom side two options display, first one I accept the agreement, left side circle tick mark set, first button next click. Select destination location, installation application default location and path display in box, local disk C, program files, newly created folder OpenSSL-Win64. In case change the another one drive, browse button click, unnecessary default, second button next click. Select start menu folder, name OpenSSL, folder name display, second button next click. Select additional task, default first option set, second button next click. Ready to install, window lo second button install click. File extracted completed. Completing the OpenSSL Lite 64-bit setup wizard, click finish to exit setup, tick mark remove, finish button click. Left side this PC option select, first one new volume C, select open. Program files folder select open. OpenSSL-Win64 folder select open. Bin folder first one select open. Address bar, mouse left click, copy this path, mouse right click, second option copy click. Folder minimize, Windows search box lo env type, first option edit the system environment variable, click. System properties window lo last button environment variable, click. Second option system variable section lo path select, second button edit click. Right side first button new click, mouse right click, paste click, ok click, ok click and ok click. Windows search box lo cmd type, first option command prompt select, enter text command OpenSSL, enter key press. Standard commands, cheaper commands, next cls, enter key press. Installation verify, command enter. Open SSL space -version. Enter key press. Installed latest version OpenSSL 3.5.1. Release date first date July month year 2025. Library OpenSSL.